Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Windows 10 or 11 stuck on a restart loop, and so you want to resolve that. So don't worry, this video show a permanent solution to stop your PC from starting again and again. So follow all the steps I'm going to tell that in this video to fix the issue. First step is that first shut down your PC and hold the power button for the 10 seconds. If you're using a laptop, just pressing the power button, and also if you're using a PC, then desktop, then press the power button for 10 seconds and then boot into the advanced setup options. So after going to that section, you're just going to the troubleshoot section and just click that troubleshoot and just going to the advanced options and just select a startup repairs. So you have to repair that section, so just going to startup repair, and after that if it does not work, open the command prompt and run. So in the startup section repair sections, you have also a section of a command prompt just like that, and in the command section you just have to just type that codes which will also available in the description. Just copy that and just paste it directly. So if you don't want to copy that, if you in the option how to copy paste, you just uh, paste and write something in the notes and something in the phone. You just type from the keyboard on the command prompt and just enter it, and after that restart your system and the problem gonna solve. So this method works for the Windows 10 and also Windows 11 users facing the start loop or automatic repair loops issues. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming Windows solutions of getting problems from our subscribers.